know this, but we've managed to figure out at least 3 main ways that people learn. The first is visual, learning by seeing, by reading. Run, because you're trying to get the students involved in the class, motivated, ready to learn. There are several different kinds of activities you can do as a warmer. You can use a quote. Another example warmer is to use idioms in your class. Teach idioms directly. English uses so many idioms, and that's not helpful. But you also want to make sure that you don't have two.
먼저 유닛 5. 유닛 5는 클래스룸 매니지먼트에 대한 내용인데요. 학생들이 그냥 수업을 듣는 게 아니라 치열하게 질문을 하고 답해가면서 그 과정 속에서 학생들이 공부를 하고 또 학습해 나가는 그 과정인데요. 마찬가지로 이 클래스룸에 있는 환경도 선생님이 그냥 이야기를 전달하는 게 아니라 학생들이 직접 질문을 하고 이해를 해 나가는 과정이 가장 중요하다라는 것을 배울 수 있었습니다.
So, what are we going to talk about? One reason is that when we hear this word, we start to feel a little like this guy. And then all we can think is test, 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 test. It's too much. Tests are very stressful. So we use the word assessment. But also, so when you're planning your lessons, say, how am I going to know that my students have learned all of this? I am going to ask them questions, or we will play a game, and I will be able to see or hear that they're learning. Plan ahead. Put it in your lesson plan if you need to. A really big thing is, do not. Now, after all of this, one of the biggest things that I teach my students is this. Mistakes are awesome. Seriously, they're amazing. I love it when students make mistakes because I get to see how well they're learning, and students can see how well they're learning. Oftentimes, students will catch themselves if they make a mistake, and that tells you, oh, they knew that.
이 유닛에서는 평가에 대해서 이야기를 하는데요. 여기서는 단순한 시험이 아니라 학생에 대한 정보를 수집하는 과정 중에 하나라고 설명을 합니다. 아이들이 무엇을 잘하고 또 어디에서 어려워하는지 그리고 내 수업의 방식은 효과적인지 그것을 알아보는 과정이 바로 이 평가라고 합니다.
11 Planning Lessons, Chapter 18 Using Textbooks, as well as an additional reading called Understanding by Design. And that's what's going to help you with the course design part of this unit. What are the desks like? How much space do you have? That really tells you what kind of activities you can do in class. One that you can't really help or change, administration. What does your administration want you to do in your class? Sometimes you can't change that, but sometimes it's really helpful. And what should you include? And what do you think your students would be interested in but every lesson? Reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Even if it's just a little bit, make sure they do it all. Also, make sure that you cater to each learning style. So if you present something, Welcome to Unit 8. Today, we're going to talk about teaching reading. Chapters that will help you with this unit are Chapter 4, Teaching Vocabulary, and Chapter 9, Teaching Reading. A few notes looking for who, what, when, where, and why. I do that with my students very often, and I write those words on the board so the students remember what they're looking for. Then, follow-up activities. So just like you do activities ahead of time, you want to make sure to do follow-up activities so the students don't.
벌써 반 이상의 수업을 들었네요. 이제 나머지 유닛 9부터 12까지 딱 4개의 유닛이 남았는데 나머지도 열심히 듣고 시험에 합격하겠습니다.